Morning all, it's the final day of the Think Visual Audio job. It's a new day, it's a beautiful day. Currently 8:10. They are due in at 9 AM. We're going to make coffee, open the back doors, get the tail lift down, put the card in, do our 15-minute checks before they arrive so we can just crack on. No gas, no coffee. Cards in, put it on other work, now we'll do our checks.
You're the reason I'm okay. Sunrise over motorways, coffee strong and I still low. Rolling ties through the rain, got another drop to
Now ready to offload when they arrive. Happy days. So we have our coffee, they let me use their kettle.
Dashboard lights and camera roll, filming light between the lows. People see the grind and gold, they don't see the highs and lows. Cause I'm waiting on my phone like it's something I can't miss. One notification from you feels better than all of this. We started off with me.
Loaded, let's get back to the yard. I think the sweat is an understatement. Jesus Christ.
Plans one video, one stupid clip, somehow turns my whole mood around. Yeah, you don't even realize you're the piece I never found. You told me about your everyday BPD and anxious nights, depression creeping in your head, making everything a fight, but that don't scare me not one bit. Yeah.
Well, this isn't what we wanted. Something must have happened. Hopefully everyone's okay.
Even if it's just a while, be the reason through the pain you accidentally start to
I think there has been a fatality on the A14 junction 12. Had a feeling there would. Been here 3 hours. Can't complain. Would never complain. Someone's lost their life. Not right for people to whinge and moan about being stuck in traffic.
with your name stuck in my chest, wishing I was strong enough to finally confess. So I ride through every zone, but I don't feel it on my own. Cause no matter where I go, you're the one that feels like home. Maybe one day I'll say the truth, no fear, no walls, just me and you.
That's Glenda spotless again. So she's parked up now until the 26th when we go to DRP just past Droitwich in Hartlebury to load for Scotland. And I also want to take this time to send out my condolences to the family that lost someone today. But until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay humble. Love you.